Okay, here we go. So we have some cloudy conditions to start things out for your Friday. You can see that the satellite radar is picking that up. It's not just for your coast, it's also going into your inland valleys, and there are reports of some dense fog across our coastal valley regions. So just something to be aware of as you're getting ready to head out the door. Temperatures outside close to those mid 40s for Paso, upper 40s for San Luis Obispo, but other areas like Santa Maria and Lompoc already reaching the low 50s. And by 10 o'clock this morning, we'll probably be closer to those low 60s for a lot of your coastal valley communities. You can see that goes for San Luis Obispo, Santa Maria, Los Alamos, as well as Gaviota, closer to those upper 50s along the north coast for San Simeon. Wind forecast does show we have a bit of a breezy morning and afternoon. Generally, these winds should be close to about 15 miles per hour, but you can see for places like San Luis Obispo, Paso, even towards our north coast region for Cambria and Morro Bay, we could pick up to about 25 miles per hour later this evening, and that we could stay that way through 8 o'clock tonight. Talking about the details with your weekend, starting with today, we have 50s and 60s for the most part in your forecast, mostly cloudy skies, and by tomorrow we could be waking up to some drizzle, and then that could increase to rain throughout the afternoon and the evening hours, which could carry over into your Sunday morning and early afternoon. Otherwise, we're going to be mostly cloudy. Let's take a look at the microclimate model. So this shows some of that cloud cover in the marine layer along our coastline and in our coastal valleys. It looks like it could back off a little bit and clear up, but then it makes its way back over the region later tonight, stays there through early tomorrow morning, and you can see that this map is picking up the opportunity for some light rain throughout your Saturday into your Sunday. A little bit of clearing by Sunday night, but we are left with those clouds, and then you can see this rain cell moving in over the area. This could actually produce some pretty significant rainfall for the Central Coast. I'll talk more about that in just a moment, but this is a look at your rainfall potential through the end of your weekend. So some areas closer to about 1/10 of an inch, and that's kind of what we're gauging right now for most of the area. But you can see for places like San Luis Obispo, there's potential to get a little bit more rain over the weekend. This details what we're expecting next week. Moderate to heavy rainfall Monday through Wednesday. This system could actually produce about 1 to 3 inches of rain. So it's something that we'll continue to monitor closely for you. Taking a quick look here at your daytime highs, mostly in the 60s today for a lot of the area. Some areas like Solvang, Cuyama, California Valley, and Shandon still trying to reach the low 70s for today, but for the 5 cities region, low to mid 60s, low 60s for Los Osos, a little bit cooler along the north coast, and sticking with those upper 50s. Back to you.